This is a review of the Cubby app found on the iPhone App Store. Cubby is a fast and simple mileage log application that allows people to track mileage for tax deduction or reimbursement. To start off, I will show you how to add a trip to your frequent trips. Press the plus icon to add a trip. First of all, the user must add the purpose and destination of the trip. For this example, I will be using Drop Product Off and West End. The next step is to add relevant tags. This trip is for product, which hypothetically can be involved with Project A. The user is then asked to record the odometer start and odometer end once the trip is over. Cubby will then automatically calculate the distance. Next step is to choose the deduction category. What category you choose will determine the deduction rate. As you can see, there's a lot of deduction rates. I will be choosing business, and let's assume it has a deduction rate of 0.500. You will then be asked if it's paid or unpaid. For this example, it will be paid. Then you can add a driver and a vehicle. The start and ending times for the trip can be added in. Note that when creating a trip, it will automatically set the starting time as the current time. The last two sections are for expenses in the trip and notes that you may feel necessary to save. I will now save this trip. After saving a trip, the user can access all the information saved by clicking on the trip. This will show in tables all the details of the trip. The user then can edit the trip at any time by clicking Edit. If you do not input an ending odometer reading, the trip will have a red colored incomplete sign on the trip page. When on the trips page, you can scroll between different types of trips categorized by all trips, paid trips, and unpaid trips. Along with this is a search tab. If I type in West End, it will only show my trips to West End. Furthermore, users can access the settings by clicking on the bottom left icon. In the general settings, you can adjust how you want your trips to be sorted. The advanced settings allow you to change specifics like measurement units, data entry, and default deduction rates. This app is great for anyone that needs to record their mileage. It has a very simple layout that makes it user-friendly. A dislike of the app is that it has many required fields that make the user feel that they are spending too much time entering information. Furthermore, a user has noted in a review that once there is a large amount of data recorded, the app tends to crash. This could become a problem if you are required to record mileage at a heavy rate.